Hello guys, today we are working on a GE monogram, and this unit has a leak on the heater exchanger line. This is the new piece that we're gonna replace. We also replacing the evaporator coil that comes with the heater. So this unit is not cooling at all. We're also gonna be replacing the filter dryer, and we're gonna be installing a service valve to here. But let me show you right now what the problem is. You're gonna have to pull this whole unit out. The leak that is creating is mainly in the heat exchanger line, and it start creating a lot of condensation, and over time this line, it gets pretty much corroded and it start messing up the copper lines. And I'll show you right now. Mainly what gets damaged is going to be the small line, which will be this one, the capillary tube bridge. Oh yeah, and all this is oily right now, so I know for sure that this unit is damaged from here. So yeah, well, this is what we're going to be doing, pretty much replacing all this line, because over time it start getting pretty much a leak all around this area. So this line connects from the compressor and it goes all the way inside where the evaporator coil is. Because we have to connect this line onto the evaporator coil, we need to take everything down from the freezer area. And if we replacing this whole line and we taking the evaporator coil down, that's why we might as well replace the evaporator coil and the heat exchanger. It's a big job, but definitely once you get this all done, it's pretty much all you need for this refrigerator to come back to life, and there should be no more problems. If you have any question, you can leave your comment below and we can definitely help you out, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.